Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys here from Jacksonville, Florida. And welcome to today's video. And I wanted to cut this quick video because I wanted to share with you how MLSP can help you build your MLM business or network marketing opportunity, how it can help you build that. Because if you've been on my channel for a little bit, you probably heard me talk about MLSP, how I recommend it as a system. I recommend a lot of the trainings and their tools, but let me show you how it can help you build your MLM or your network marketing opportunity. So here's the thing to realize too before I get started, that if you are building a network marketing business, that your target audience is other network marketers or those looking to get started in a network marketing business. And your whole entire goal is to basically focus on the problems of the network marketer, which is leads. Network marketers they want to find out how to talk about how to find more people to introduce their opportunity to, and money. Most network marketers, starting out, are not making any money, so they want to learn how to generate more leads and how to get more money for their opportunity. So here's the great thing about MLSP. MLSP provides solutions, provides trainings for other network marketers, for them to find out how to get more leads, how to get more money. And you, being an MLSP member, actually have that training available so that you can offer that value to them. So here's the thing, I'm in the back office of my own MLSP account, and I want to show you just real quickly how this can work out for you. So whenever you refer someone to MLSP, if they go to a training, they like the training, they want to become an MLSP member, they become a part of one of your referrals in the system. Here's the thing, whenever they log into their back office, if you are their referral, you have an opportunity to put a presentation or link for your own business. So whether you're in health and wellness, whether you're in credit repair, whether you're in some kind of traveling business, whenever someone logs into their MLSP back office, if you refer them, they're going to see your business every single day that they log into their back office. So that's great for you. So the person may not be interested in your business when you refer MLSP to them. They may be interested in MLSP to build their own business, but you never know what may happen down the road, 3 months, 6 months down the road. If there's still a referral inside of MLSP, they may have a desire to look at your business because it may not be a good time for them in their own business, or they may want to change businesses. So that's great for you, because as you build a relationship with someone that you refer MLSP to, they become more trusting with you, and you know that if you want to sell somebody, if you want somebody to join your opportunity, they have to know you, like you, and trust you. So MLSP is a perfect opportunity for you to do that with that person that may come into your system. It's the easiest way to build value and to build trust with people. So here's the thing, I'm in my back office here, and I'm going to show you here. There's a lot of things that we can go over here, but I want to keep it short and brief and show you how it can help you. So if you go to My Opportunity, in the back office, it says here, enter the name and website URL for your business opportunity that you would like to promote. If your opportunity or team has a marketing system with a capture page style website, we recommend you use that website link. Otherwise, if you don't have a marketing website, just use the replicated website that you were given by your business opportunity. So as you can see here, I have my own opportunity name, which is the Super Affiliate Network. That's my opportunity. And I have my opportunity URL, which is basically the sign-up link for Super Affiliate Network. So every time someone comes in here, one of my referrers, they're going to see my opportunity every single time they log in. That's why it's really great for you to use MLSP to build your business. Because again, everybody that you come to about your business may not be interested in your business. But if they're looking to make money online, if they're looking to find out a way to build their own business, if they already have their own business, then still it is a great way for you to build a relationship by giving just pure value to that person. So what does it look like when they see, your opportunity? So if you go down to where it says my business opportunity, so when that person logs in, this is basically what they see. If you look at the where it says my business opportunity, it says this is why we built My Listing Pro and why you use it to build your business. This is where we're going to set up your business opportunity, recommendations for the leads, and members you generate through your MLSP system. This can include, but not limited to, your MLM, your own products, your own coaching, affiliate products, whatever you want. It is your business after all. Your MLSP referrals, as I was telling you, will see this page in multiple places inside their system. And as you continue to serve your prospects with value and powerful trainings like the MLSP webinars, which if you've been on my channel for a little bit, I try to do videos on those webinars for you guys every single week. They will begin to like you and trust you. And when this happens, your business will grow like wildfire. Leverage MLSP to build your business. So, should you lead with MLSP or should you lead with your network marketing opportunity? It really depends. If you meet somebody and they already have a network marketing or MLM business, then lead with MLSP. Or if you may look and they may not be interested in MLSP, they may be interested in your opportunity, then lead with your opportunity. But I would always say, if you can, just lead with MLSP. Build that value, build that trust with the person, and let them see your business opportunity. I can almost guarantee you that if you do it the right way, and if there is an interest, that they will come to you and approach you about whatever business that you're growing over time, if you build the relationship the right way and just using MLSP. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I want to kind of provide some value to you and just show you the reason that I'm not just promoting MLSP to you. I'm providing you with tools, resources, and anything that you can build whatever business that you want to build. Also, too, if you like what you hear about MLSP, if you want to take your 10-day risk-free trial, I will leave a link at the bottom as always. Take a 10-day trial. If you don't like it, you get your $10 back. If you don't like it on the 10th day. Simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you on the next video. Peace.